I'm going to show you how to make the best frozen strawberry margarita. It's really good, and there's a few little secrets to it. So come along, let's make a frozen strawberry margarita. We're not going to use a mix. Obviously, for that, you're going to need fresh strawberries. So we're going with the measurement of a buttload of strawberries. So get yourself a nice little clamshell, good sized clamshell. This actually says it weighs 16 ounces, so this is a pound. We'll probably easily use half of this. I'm going to chop the stems off of it. I'm going to slice up a lime. That's more as a garnish. So let's get that going. Cut your limes into little half-moon slices and put a cut right down the center of each of them because it's going to sit on your rim. You can use frozen strawberries if you want, but why if you have some nice fresh strawberries? Look at that fatty. Ho, 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 yeah. Guess I'm going to use all of them. Why not? When you have all your produce prepared, get your margarita glass. Oh, you know, let me say something. Hawaiian shirts. I've talked about my Hawaiian shirts before. You probably see me wear this one the most. This is actually a hilo hattie, which is one of the original Hawaiian shirts, and it's my absolute favorite. So if you see me wearing it a lot, it's because I love it. Go online, order a hilo hattie shirt, or go to Honolulu and pick yourself up one. Probably cheaper. And right now we're on quarantine, so get your glass. Get a bowl with some paper towels in it, wet paper towels. Don't want a puddle of water in there, so get the paper towel nice and wet, empty out the rest. Gonna have a bowl of powdered sugar. What you want to do is you want to be able to squish the lip of your glass into the water and roll it in the powdered sugar. Shake off the excess so you get a nice rim of powdered sugar like that. Go ahead and fill up your blender with ice the majority of the way. Still got to have room for your strawberries, so throw your strawberries on top. Should be good. Key ingredient, limeaide frozen mix. This is a, what is it? 12-ounce can? I don't know. Something like that. So we're going to use about 1/3 to 1/2 of it. I don't know where it says how much is in here. Oh well, we'll use about 1/3 to 1/2 of it. If you got to pulse your stuff down a little bit, do it to get rid of some of the ice. It'll all eventually mix in there. So yeah, that's probably 1/3 of the can there, maybe 1/2. I don't know. But that is a key component. Another key component, triple sec. Don't know if you can see that or if the light's too bright. Triple sec. We're gonna go 2 ounces of triple sec in our little happy 2-ounce cup. Pour your 2 ounces of triple sec. We'll give it another little splash just for fun. That's the love. And a silver tequila, whatever you want. I don't know my tequilas too well, but I got this brand. We're gonna go 6 ounces of that and probably a little bit of love for there too. This recipe should make you about 4 margaritas. We lit it and we blend it. There's your numero uno, strawberry margarita. We got our glasses all prepared. Lime slices on the edges. You pour them up. You take them to your neighbors. You drink them with your wife. You share them with your friends. Look at that. Perfect consistency too. I have to take a couple to my neighbor because he loaned me the glasses. We share our cocktails anyway. Nice hot summer day. Strawberry margarita. Oh, it's perfect. It's got a good strawberry, it's got a good lime, you can taste the tequila. I hate when you order a strawberry margarita or a blended margarita and you can't even taste the tequila because it's so overran with cheap mix. This is a good one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy yourself. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when something new pops up. Give it a thumbs up, please. Give it a thumbs up. Share it. You help a brother out. Have a good day.